Got the whole fam. Got the whole fam, guys. Oh my god. Oh no, it's all leaking. I'm gonna go ahead and check out if there's any cracks or if the hose is ripped. Kind of does look good.
See if I can see you. Hi. How you doing? It's a wizard here.
Put it underwater.
Like this.
Damn! Look at her. Puro torqueando cut. La mama whiskey. Where's my coolant? I've spent like over $100 on coolant already, guys, because it kept leaking. And this adds up. This adds up. I spent over $100 just on coolant. Isn't that sad? Oh!
You got like no clutch. I stalled.
The first stall. Oh my god.
It's because that smoke. It's throwing me off.
It's the wind.
I don't speak wind.
All right, let's see how he drives. It's a little. This car is a little harder to drive. It's not like your average normal car. Woo! Your average car.
I don't know how to shift anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I took off in third.
No way! Oh my god.
Where is it?
What?
Don't all Subarus come with a vape?
Oh, what do you mean? I have it in my pocket.
Oh,
I'm just kidding. Safety first. Safety first.
I don't have one of those. Oh, yeah, I do.
No, you use these.
I don't want to use
I don't think you could use that.
I don't think I can fit my belly in those without some heavy modifications.
Oh my god, look at how that cool. Oh my god.
I took off in third again.
Oh my god. Whatchamacallit?
Oh.
I'm in lots of words right now. I'm in lots of words. What gear are you in? You're scaring me. You're scaring me. Ooh. He's just having a little too much fun in this.
Too much sauce.
Noise. You're supposed to say noise.
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 What's this?
Oh! You're killing me, Larry. Ooh, the corn man. So this is where the corn man has been. Yeah. He's cheating on us. This is the corn man that always passes by my house. And I literally took a picture of him. I have a picture of him in my Instagram, actually.
I waved at him.
He's like, who the hell are you? I get the whole damn meal when I go to the corn man. I didn't see, I don't know. Okay, like the glare. Okay, now, we're good now.
Okay.
Whatever you do. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not even gonna say it. I was gonna say, do not blow my engine. Knock on wood. Okay, I saw it go like to a little over 8.
Okay, so you're at 8 pounds.
Oh no! Oh no!
You're gonna round it.
Oh no! All right, 9. We're at 9. We're rounding it up. We're rounding it up. I'm actually not good at cutting hair, but it's something that I've been getting into and I actually like doing it. But I'm not a professional barber and I'm not planning on to, but I enjoy cutting hair. So I'm about to cut this little pig's hair today. And let's see how it comes out. Let's see how it comes out. Nice cut, G. I'm lining him up. What do you guys think? Chuuuki blends. I'm thinking about maybe balding all of this off, but like the hair's on the side. You know, I think that would look good. What do you think? Don't answer. I love it. You gotta push it back, guys. You gotta push it back. Actually, I started from the side, but you're supposed to start from the middle. So, excuse me, cameraman. If I mess up, don't blame it on me. Blame it on the Action! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be taking Toby to the canyon finally. But this time, I'm bringing in a special guest, Suera. It's gonna be our first time taking Toby, and she's gonna be riding along with me. It should be pretty fun. ¿Estás lista para que te lleve en Toby?
No.
Oh, all right. We're not taking Han today. We're taking Toby. So let's get going, guys. I just pulled over before I get in there because I want to set up my little GoPro. I've never driven this road before. This is not my usual canyons, okay? Hopefully Toby can make it up there. We don't know. We'll have to see. We'll wait and see.
O sea, como que te me vas a asustar, ¿quieres decir?
No.
Raquel.
Let's go. Alright, let's go everybody. I put my camera here so we can get Sweata's reaction. I've never driven this road, so I'm gonna be a little nervous. I might be a little quiet because I tend to stay quiet when I get nervous. Actually, I think I've been here when I was little, but not when I was older, you know, not that I remember. Not that I remember. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. GTA. Oh that noise. Whoa. Oh my gosh. You guys hear that? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Ya voy agarrando nervios.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So scary. No. Show your face. Show yourself. Show yourself. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa, it is a little scary. Vamos a arreglar esto. Okay. Oh no. There we go. I know. Oh no. This is bad. This is bad. Quítate, puerco. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, Corvette. Ah! Oh, sí. Okay, there we go.
No voy a grabar, mira.
¿Qué?
Ya no quiero ver esto.
I'm pulling over, everybody. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Okay, yo no estaba expectando esto.
Aquí, ponla, mira, siéntala aquí. Mira.
A ver, oh! Okay. I was not expecting it. No estaba expectando esto. This is literally like... This is like all second gear right here. I like these canyons though, they're pretty cool. ¿Te gustan?
No.
Están poquitas espantosas, pero están cool.
No, qué cool.
Oh my god. Okay, I don't like how sharp these turns are. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot to pray. Oh my gosh. The beginning was scary, but now I'm getting a little...
No va a llegar para...
¡Ey! Ni digas. No, suéltalo. Ahí está bien.
Se va a volar.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm literally only in second gear right now. ¡Ay! ¡Muévense, puercas!
Les preparé la concha.
Míralos, vienen románticos. ¡Chao! Wow, it's beautiful.
No, no está beautiful.
No, pero it's very... Oh! Oh my gosh. drop a like. Emoji of the day will be the mountain. Should I drop a? Oh my gosh, she's crying.
Ay,
Ay, qué la
ay, ay, esto no se toma.
Oh.
Ay, en serio. Para atrás. En serio.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, sí, es beautiful. Qué beautiful.
Oh, sube! Sube!
Mira, Emma, no estés jugando conmigo. Estoy mala del corazón.
Liar. It's cab.
Mira.
A cab. I smell cab. Oh, it'll be a little scary up here. Not gonna cab. Wow. No kizzy.
Ay, ay, ay. Vas a llegar hasta la punta del cerro. Hasta que se te descomponga el carro.
No digas eso, ok. No
Tú
digas
no me
eso,
quieres,
ok.
¿eh?
No digas eso, ok.
Tú no me quieres, ¿eh?
Claro que sí.
No.
Claro que sí. Oh my gosh. I want to see what's
Está
hitting.
viniendo quemado. Ay,
Ay, qué. ¿Cómo se ve? Wow. Mira qué bonito.
no, bonito que.
Mira qué bonito. Look at how beautiful.
Uy, está bien.
Oh my god.
Emma, está bien.
So nice. Ay, que la chingada. Oh my god, look how beautiful.
Emma, en serio que siento bien feo.
No, sorry, ya lo vamos a bajar.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh my gosh, sure. People, oh my gosh. I'm pulling over, ya lo vamos. Vámonos. Oh my god.
Espérate, pues. Deja respirar porque siento bien feo.
Woo, we're here, pero vámonos a sacar. We're here.
Estoy muriendo.
Mister.
No estoy muriendo.
Look at my hair, it's such a mess. How's my, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys don't want to see that. Oh my god, it looks so nice. You guys ready? Ta-da! Oh, it looks beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so nice, so peaceful. Just enjoy the nature actually. You guys see that? Beautiful. We're just chilling out here. It's so freaking beautiful. It's actually really cool. I like it. It's very chill. It's very peaceful. I feel like I could bring a tent out here and just sleep. I also want to show you guys my fit. So here you go, Spera. So today I'm wearing a Balenciaga one-of-a-kind shirt. No, I'm kidding. I actually got this shirt at the thrift store. And I got these at Walmart. And I got my shoes at the mall. Just kidding. Hazle el zapateado.
Las agarré en el closet.
She looks like she's on a horse. Ooh, dance battle. Baila. Baila, baila, baila. And oh, damn. So, Subaru, dame una canción, toca.
La bamba. Para bailar la bamba se necesita un poquito de gracia. Un poquito de
Thank you, very nice. Very nice. Oh, little Miata. Hold up. Oh, little Miata. Cool. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh. Look at the reflection. I'm mesmerized by the way it looks. Whoa, even the tree is like pink. Wow, oh my god, wow. Surprisingly, Toby did not break down. No coolant leaks, no oil leaks, no nothing. Toby is in good hands. He's doing pretty well right now. The only thing that bothered me the most, and I've had it up to here, you guys know how long I've been going at it, is the freaking wheels. Okay, I love the wheels. I love the way it makes the car look. It's just that I can't take it anymore, guys. Like, one of the reasons, okay, two of the reasons why I got this car is because, one, it had a turbo and I am obsessed with turbo. Second is because I wanted to take it up to the canyons. You know, it's all-wheel drive. Pictured me taking Toby to the canyons all the freaking time. But with these wheels, I don't know if you guys noticed throughout the video, it kept rubbing and I can't take it anymore. I was really not comfortable, and so I decided that I just want to get rid of them. I freaking love them and I would love to keep them, but I'm just done, guys. I'm done having these. I'm just not comfortable. They don't fit my car right. But other than that, it's been a good time. It's been very good. It's been very nice to me so far. All right, so before I end up this video, I do want to give out 2 shout outs, and the first one goes out to my Patreon squad. Thank you to all my Patreons. I freaking appreciate all of you guys, and I can't stress that enough. This Patreon shout out goes out to Chino. Thank you so freaking much. I really appreciate it. And I also want to give out a shout out to Luis Perez. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.
Chopper right beneath